Hello friends, I am Nasir from Digital Code Network, and in this tutorial you will learn how to download Windows 10 with the latest version in the form of ISO. So there are two ways to download ISO file directly from the Microsoft website. One way is using the media creation tool and other way is using the Google Chrome trick. And in this video I will explain both of the ways. So to get started, open your Google Chrome and go to Microsoft website to download Windows 10, or simply type on Google Windows 10 ISO download. And click the first link, which is Microsoft website, and you can find this link in the description of this post. So here you have two options. One is update now, which is 10 October 2020 update, and second one is download tool. Just click on this tool and start downloading. If you don't have IDM, then Google default downloader will appear. Just save this file in that case in your preferred folder and start the downloading. After download complete, you can just open or open folder and double click this media creation tool to start your downloading. So after a few time you will see this screen on your laptop or computer. Accept their terms and conditions, and next step is use upgrade this PC or create media installation media. So from here choose the second option, create installation media, to download your ISO file for another PC or for your current PC. Later you will learn how to create bootable USB in another tutorial. Here are the settings which are recommended for my PC. So you should keep this checkbox as it is to use the exact version for your PC. Just click next, and from here you can either use USB flash drive or ISO file. So my case, I will select ISO file to download it in my PC. After selecting ISO file, just click the next button. It will show you to select a path where you want to save this file. I have selected download folder and just click save. Now it will start downloading Windows 10. And it all depends upon your internet speed how much time it will take. So do not turn off your computer while it is downloading. So after the download is complete, you will see two options, burn to DVD or burn later. So here is the file which we can use to create a bootable USB drive. So So the second method is using a Google Chrome trick. In this case, just open this website as it is, which is Microsoft website, and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. If you are using any other operating system, then you don't need to follow this tutorial, because you will see direct download link for your Windows 10 ISO file onto other operating systems. So from top three dots, more tools, and then click developer mode. This will open your developer mode, and you are seeing their user agent. It is select automatically. Just uncheck it and select any other operating system except Windows. In my case, I will select either iPhone, so Safari iPhone I have going to select, so it will load the basic page to download Windows directly from website. Sometimes it does not work, so just change the option from user agent to any other operating system. So in my case, I have selected iPad, and the same URL is displaying the another page to direct download the ISO file for Windows 10, which is also the latest version of Windows. So when the page is loaded, just scroll a little bit down, and another thing I forgot to tell you, just to click the three dots, more tools, and network conditions to open this user agent settings. And do not close this developer mode, just bring it down and scroll the page down and select your version of Windows, and it will appear the dialog box to download Windows. Other steps are just select your version of Windows in above and language, and then final step is select your Windows version, either 64-bit or 32-bit. So it depends upon your internet speed how much time it will take. So for similar tutorials, keep watching and visiting this website for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.